Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do factorization by s. This one, that's it about identity. So I need to put into s minus 1, s plus 1. Next, we do partial fractions. So capital A over S, capital B over S minus 1, and capital C over S plus 1. Now we do common denominator. So about this one, it's missing about S minus 1, S plus 1. So capital A multiplied by S minus 1, S plus 1. About this one, this is missing about s and s plus 1. So we need to multiply by s and s plus 1. Similar for capital C. And this one will be here. Next, we need to expand. Now, we need to arrange based on the term of s. About s squared, we have a multiplied by s squared, b multiplied by s squared, and c multiplied by s squared. About s, we have b minus c. About the number, we have negative a. Now we need to compare coefficients. About s squared, we have s squared in here. So a plus b plus c equals to number 5. We don't have s, so b minus c equals to number 0. And the last one, negative a equals to negative number 3. And now we create the system of equations. So we have a plus b plus c equals to number 5 in here. B minus c equals to number 0, and negative a equals to negative number 3. And now we need to find the solutions of ABC. So a equals to number 3, b equals to number 1, and c equals to number 1. So we put the value ABC going here. So a equals to number 3, b equals to number 1, c equals to number 1, and now we have the final answer. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.